forget about these calls and forget about the things that are happening to help you stay plugged in. So if you're camera ready, meaning you're stationary, you're dressed and ready, not in your car driving, eating, or whatever, please turn your camera on. We'd love to see that. We gave you a challenge that I hope y'all are working on. That'll be ready for next Monday. We're going to give you another week to prepare for that challenge that Mr. Roebuck and I put out there for you. Maybe some of you are already taking advantage of it, but we're looking forward to seeing all the great changes, on Monday, January 5th, isn't it, Ken?
Yes. January 5th is right around the corner.
Yeah.
We're excited.
Yeah, so we've got some folks that if you weren't on last week, you need to listen to the replay. We'll probably mention it again. We gave you a challenge to be ready to be in the solution space fully starting in 2026. So again, put in the chat where you're joining us from.